was made. It was based on a 50s car, but it was made in the 2000s. I think 2006.
Well, you know what? If you're gonna, even if you're gonna do it recently, it
Yeah.
looks great.
It does, and
I mean,
they range from 130,000 to 140,000.
Yeah, let's make new cars like this.
Yeah, oh yeah, you can tell it's new on the inside. But that's neat. It was meant to look 50s on the outside.
And it's 2006.
Yeah. Cool.
It's great.
N2A. No 2A lights.
Yeah, you can tell in the front of the body. It has that 1950s influence.
They only made 57.